Hello, it's Kaylee from the Healing Sound Arts program. And today I wanted to share with you an exercise. I'm going to play my crystal singing bowl for you all. And we're going to do this exercise together. And it's great for any kind of congestion you may have in your sinuses. It also helps with anxiety and depression, and it helps calm the nervous system, clear the mind. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to be doing some humming together. Now, humming has been shown to release tension and blockages in the sinuses. This is a great thing to do if you ever suffer from allergies. And what another reason this is so great is because it's accessible. We all can hum at any time, and it's quiet and it's easy to do anywhere, anytime. This type of humming in Sanskrit, and it's called Brahmari Pranayam. And Brahmari means bee in Sanskrit, and pranayam is the breath. And so we can also use our hands to go more deeply within by internalizing the sound by putting our thumbs in our ears and then our hands over our eyes. So I want to invite you, if you have time to do this, to just go into a little meditation with me. What we're going to be doing is humming just like a bee. And it can be any note, any tone that you feel is appropriate for you, whatever feels right. And we're also going to be using our nose to breathe. And so I invite you to just sit down somewhere in a quiet space. And it's easier to sound or vocal tone hum when you're sitting and you have good posture. So just get into a spot that's comfortable for you, sit up straight, and you can close your ears and cover your eyes if you like, or just sit and hum. And by the way, you don't need to use a crystal singing bowl, but this just kind of amplifies the effect because crystal singing bowls have the ability to really calm the mind. Your brain starts to entrain with the crystal singing bowl. Okay, we're going to breathe in through the nose. So I hope you enjoyed this sample of the humming exercise or Brahmari pranayam. And please let me know what you experienced. And if you're interested in my program, the Healing Sound Arts program, and you want to become a sound healer and bring your gifts out more, I have a 90-day program, and the program is soon to open. So check out the links below. I also have a loving self-care with sound healing course that would be good for beginners or people who already are sound practitioners and they just want to plug into a system on a daily basis and just receive little golden nuggets of sound healing tips and knowledge. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you experienced, and I will see you again soon.